All right, man. We had the big blizzard today, so nobody's gonna melt, okay? So y'all go out. Y'all go see what's going on in the big blizzard. In the big blizzard. Go, go, go. You can do it. You can do it. You're gonna persevere through the cold. Okay. Oh. Here they go. All right, boys. Good boys. Good boys. It's our winter wonderland. It is kind of early for this kind of weather in Memphis, Tennessee, so I don't know if they're paying attention to the calendar, but where'd Barney go? Barney kind of blend into the snow. You kind of blend in. You look like the white on you is makes you kind of snow covered.